Hi, I'm Greg from Little Kamper, and I'm here to help you learn how to process a case for a return shipment to Little Kamper with these 12 easy steps. Number 1, exchange tank shipments must be packed in a certified white shipping case. Each exchange case shipment must have a partition inside to keep the tanks separate from each other. The Department of Transportation requires that each tank must be visually inspected to verify that they are safe to ship. Leaking tanks cannot be shipped. They must be fully evacuated or scrapped. Dented tanks cannot be shipped. Some of the obvious examples is one of this one. A not so obvious example is this one. These must be evacuated and scrapped. Tanks with signs of fire damage cannot be shipped. Here's an example of a fire damaged tank. They must be scrapped. All of the tanks must be upright in the package to be returned. And as you notice, there are orientation arrows on every corner of the box. Remove and discard the plastic FedEx hazmat shipping paper envelope from the side of the box. The easiest way to do that is just to remove the front cover of it. And what we just want to do is remove the lettering from the front of that envelope. There you go. Your return FedEx shipping label will be sent to you via email. Print out the label, and then what you want to do is cover up the red and white striped hazmat shipping label, and then the greater portion of your main shipping label. Tape it down, secure it well, and prep the box for shipment. Every order that you receive is shipped via hazmat with FedEx. On the return exchange program, those cases are returned to Little Kamper with a labeling of limited quantity. We've included some limited quantity return to vendor packets for you to use the labels and to re-identify the boxes before FedEx picks them up to return to Little Kamper. These black and white decals look just like this, and you just want to cover the red flammable gas decal with the black and white decal. Notice that the black triangle, the black are on the top and bottom. Every case must have either a DOT special permit number 21754 label or the words DOT SP 21754 clearly written on top of the box near the FedEx shipping label. In your return to vendor kits that we discussed previously, there are some decals in there. You just want to place it somewhere close to the shipping label. Each case must be H-taped so the side and center seams are closed. One across this side, one down the middle, and one up here on this side.